Morning like I'm shining through while you're lying next to me. Ocean breeze, it calls your name like a soft melody.
I wrap my arms around you now, feel your heartbeat slow. In this moment we belong, more than words can show. I can feel your love so deep, every time you hold me near. Even when the night is long, you take away my fear.
I've been searching all my life, now I finally see. Every road just led me here, right where I should be.
Every time you call my name,
I feel it deep inside.
no more running from this love, we got nowhere else to hide. I'll hold you close tonight, never let you drift away. When the world gets heavy, we'll be our safe place. If you reach for me, I'll be right by your side. Through the storm and fire, we'll be the light.
We'll be the light. Yeah. Even when the distance comes and the nights feel cold and long,
I remember where we stand in a love that's always strong.
you don't ever have to fear.
I'm closer than you know. Every heartbeat calls your name, no matter where I go. And I feel like giving up, and the road is getting hard. We remember who we are, we don't fall apart. I'll hold you close tonight, never let you drift away. When the world gets heavy, we'll be our safe place. If you reach for me, I'll be right by your side. Through the storm and fire, we'll be the light.
Oh, I feel it in your soul.
Like the tide, we lose control.
Even when the waves get high, we keep holding on tight. No fear in this love.
We were sent from above.
Every step that we take,
Here's a chance we won't break. I'll hold you close tonight, through the dark and through the pain. When the world keeps turning, we'll stay the same. If you reach for me, I'll be there every time. This love we found is one